aanihin mo yung maganda kung pagdukot mo ay puro lang bra?
Piliin niyo yung lalaking kaya kayong ipagpatayo ng bahay. Hindi yung hotdog lang ang kayang patayuin niya habang buhay.
When a woman says, "What?" It's not because she didn't hear you. You've been warned. She's giving you a chance to change your statement.
You.
I will never find another lover sweeter than you, sweeter than you. And I will never find another lover more precious than you, more precious than you. Girl, you are close to me, you're like my mother. Close to me, you're like my father. Close to me, you're like my brother. Close to me, you're like my brother. Yeah! And you are the only one of my everything. And for you, this song I sing all my life. I pray for someone like you.
Ang relasyon, binubuo ng respeto, tiwala at unawa. Hindi yung tuwad, pasok, bukaka.
Yeah, huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatana. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na.
Oh, Laura, aking hero. Ang aking itlog ay sa'yo lang utog.
You only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. You only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. I need you, I need you, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now. Yeah, I knew you were trouble when you walked in. Oh, 'cause your sex takes me to paradise. Yeah, your sex takes me to paradise. It's the remix to Ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling the body, got every man in here wishing. With us two in the middle. All of me loves all of you. All your curves and all your edges. All your perfect imperfections. If I...
Kung di mo kaya makontento sa isa, gawin mong 7 para 1 linggong pag-ibig.
Ayaw dyan mo padala sa mga promise. Pure gold gani, green ang pintal. Dapat gold.
Ikaw, pero itong mga kamay hindi bibitaw. Ikaw ay akin at ako'y iyo. Kalawagan man kumuha. Kahit na ba sa kabilang buhay di maglalaho. Dahil ikaw ay akin at ako'y iyo.
Pag mag-ex na kayo, hindi kayo magkaibigan, magkakilala na lang kayo. Dahil ang kaibigan, natatakbuhan mo sa oras ng problema. Ang ex mo, naging problema mo kasi tinakbuhan ka.
Hoy, yung time na habol ako ng habol sa'yo noon, exercise lang yon.